finding Nemo. Alright, here we go. Let's get this fish underway. So, we're gonna start here. And we're gonna draw a line down here like this. And then we're gonna bring that line all the way around like this. And we're gonna continue that line up through here and around to there. Looking nice. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw Nemo's face. So let's give him his big old eyes. He's got really big eyes, doesn't he? Maybe an eye right about here. They kind of look like that. A little round, but a little oval at the same time. We'll do the same on this side, almost touching the edges of his body. And then we can draw his face, or his mouth I should say, with a little cheek there. And let's bring his mouth down like this. Little cheek there. And give him a big old smile like that. There we go. And we'll give him a little bit of teeth. Sweet. There we go. There's Nemo. Maybe some eyebrows up about here. An eyebrow about here. That's looking nice. And we can't forget his stripes now, can we? So let's bring his stripe around here. A little squiggly like this. And way coming down like that. So continue that around, squiggly lines. There we go. Just like that. That's looking nice. And from here, we can draw his fins. So we'll continue his body a little bit like this. And we'll make his fin come out like this. Little squigglies. And around like this. That's nice. Now we can draw another stripe, which will come down right about here, like that. That's looking good. We can draw a squiggly up here like that. And these are his lines of the goldfish that will come around like this for one more fin, up like that, looking good. And we continue his body around like that. All right, here we go. Let's draw his tail. Right about there. Coming around like that. That looks nice. And like that. Try to join them all up right about there. Looking nice. And then what we can do here is another squiggly line like that. And these will be the designs of his fins and his tail that we can color in later. Line here. Like that. Looking nice. And we can even do one here, just like this. There we go. This is looking nice. Come around like that a bit. Lots of designs on this one, isn't there? Even here if you want to. Big thick old lines that we can color in later. There we go. And now Nemo only had the one fin over here, didn't they? So we'll draw that up around about here. Come around like that. And back in like that. There we go, that looks sweet. And again, these designs on the fins, they're very pretty, aren't they? We can even come out like this a little bit, just for fun. There we go, just to give it that fin-like feel. And then maybe a little fin over here. There we go. Not quite as big as the other one, was it? There we go. Some designs here. Sweet. 1, 2. Looking good. And now all we got to do is his eyes. The pupils, I mean. One there. One there. A little highlight there. A little highlight there. And now his pupil. 1, 2. And we'll color those in later too. Looking good, everybody. Maybe a little design here just on his tail. Very nice. I like this. We're looking very nice, aren't we? All these designs are gonna pay off. We're gonna do the color now. Thanks, Nemo. Okay, we've got orange for his body. light orange for his fins, and we'll fill in black for his stripes and mouth. Thanks, everyone.